Pros, pros, pros. Count on the pros.
You know what else you can count on? Canadian winters being ruthlessly frigid. Match that ruthlessness with a Toso Apex heat pump from Professional Heating and Cooling. With both warming and cooling capabilities, you get reliable and simple year-round comfort. One unit, all seasons. Be a professional and be prepared before the snow flies. Professional Heating and Cooling.
Pros.